There are different video effects that you can apply inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, over here you can see that I have this video clip right here, and then over here if I were to go around on the right hand side, you can see that apply effects to enhance your clips is an option right here. So if I were to go around over here, then you can see that this is what you have. There are different video effects that you can choose from. For example, there's auto reframe right here, there's like black and white right here, there's Gaussian blur. So you can go around and click and drag this effect over here on this particular footage, and you can see that that effect is added in. And this is what you have. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. If I were to go around over here under, let's say for example, apply effects right here, there's different effect like this lighting effect right here. And there's two effect that's added in. And with each of the effect, you get the effect options, as you can see right here. Like there's ambient intensity right here. There's like light color that you can choose from over here, just like this. And you can press OK, and then you can change around the surface material, as you can see right here. And that is what you have. You can also go around and select, let's say for example, bump channels right here, and change around, experiment around with the options that you have right here. You can also go around and add in, let's say for example, dual lights, as you can see right here, and work around with it. So that is what you have right here. So there's light one right here, the spotlight right here. So you can, let me just go around and add in spotlight over here as well. And you can go around and make the change as you like. You can go around and disable out the lightning effect right here, or black and white effect as you like as well, or delete them out right here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So you don't have the effects. So let's just go around over here on the effects, add in lightning right here, change around the ambient right here. There's like 5, and let's just go around, add in directional right here, and make changes, as you can see right here, and you can make changes to it or hide it out. There's different effects right here, like you can go around and make it metallic, as you can see right here, and you get the metal effect. And with each effect, you can see that there's the different options that actually come up right here. You can totally make it metal, or you can make it like this. So this is what you have, and you can go around and change around the color, as you can see right here. And then this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with video effects inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.